Hi, this is Marie Presley, and this is my screencast for expanding my personal learning network. I chose to explore social bookmarking because of all the awesome tech tools that we've learned in this class. I needed some way to organize them all so I can think about how I'm going to use those in the future. For this, I chose Symbaloo. Symbaloo I thought was a really awesome tool to just organize everything that we've put together and make it super easy to interface with. So let's check my screencasting skills and see if I can show you all this. Okay, so here is Symbaloo, symbaloo.com. This is the social bookmarking tool that I chose. It's very easy to interface with. If you follow me over here, you can simple sign in. You can sign in with your Google or your Facebook. I just chose to sign in with my Google. I think that recognizes it right away. Yep. And here is my Symbaloo page that I built. Once you log in, it will take you to your Symbaloo homepage. I'll take you over there. This page has some pretty broad subjects that you can explore. For example, if you're interested in finding something about books, these are just general web mixes that have been made by the Symbaloo people that make it really easy for you to search for something. For example, if you want to search for books, you can go down here and click on the books web mix. And then it'll just take you to all the most popular book websites. Simply by clicking on this tile, it'll take you directly to, for example, Barnes & Noble or Amazon.com if you are wanting to go there. Okay, here is the web mix that I created for my personal learning network. Here I have saved some of the great technology websites that I've learned in this course, and I thought I could use in my classroom in the future. I built a single web mix, but I think in the future what I'll likely do is separate it into personal use or school use or classroom use or business use. But for ease of today, I put it all on one web mix. Interface is really simple to use. So some of the big options you have an option up here. This simply lets you edit the web mix. So if I want to rename my web mix, I named mine my PLN technology resources. You can change the background, which is really simple. I just chose something easy. You can select icons for the web mix and a few other tools that are pretty handy to use. If I'm just tired of this web mix, I can go ahead and remove it by the little trash can. And also, which is a really cool tool, is I can share my web mix. So I will go over on how to do that in just a few minutes. Also, if I want to search, which I thought was really cool, since I'm pretty new at finding web mixes and I'm really excited about finding new tools in the classroom, I can search other people's web mixes. Say, for example, I want to search technology in the classroom. And it will give me a list of, and I can expand this search if I want to, but it'll give me other people's web mixes they've built that are built around technology in the classroom. For example, let's go to Math in D11. So this was a web mix that was created by Diane Rodriguez, and these were some of the things that this teacher uses in the classroom. So if I am interested in adding this web mix to my Symbaloo pages, all I simply have to do is go to add this web mix, and then you'll see it pop up right here. There's my Math in D11. And so if I want to reference another teacher's page, it's really simple. All I have to do is click over there. But for now, let's go to back to my web mix. I have separated it by just some of the projects that I have done over up in this corner. Down here, I am a math graduate students. So I put some of the things that I think will be helpful, just specific for math, down in this corner. And then everything over here are some of the tools that we have used in this class, or some of the resources that some of my fellow students, graduate students, have mentioned that would be a good resource to use in the classroom. So I organized them that way. Let's see, some of my favorite ones are MindMeister. MindMeister is a really cool website that helps for like collaborative mind mapping and brainstorming. So I thought that was a really cool one. Glogster. Glogster is a interactive multimedia tool that is super cool. It makes posters, interactive posters. So you can create a poster online, and then it can send you to links. I actually created a Glogster on one of my other classes, so I'll bring that up and show that to you. So here's one that I built, and it'll take you to a website if you'd like, or you can add, paragraph pictures off the internet. So it's a really, really cool way to build a poster for a class. Screencast-O-Matic, love this one. I'm still working on my screencast skills. Hopefully this is going well. And Google Documents, I don't know how I had not discovered Google Documents up until now, but I've started using this in a couple classes, and it's great for collaboration projects since several others can edit the same document. So that's really cool. I also linked Twitter, because we did a Twitter live feed the other day, and I thought that was really cool. So Twitter, I linked one of that page. Here is my, let's see if I can find my Twitter account. And so here's my Twitter account, and let's see, here is where I posted my Symbaloo page. So right now this was posted for me about an hour ago. It says, I'm finding some great tech resources for teaching. Check out my new Symbaloo page and reply with your favorites. So I thought that was a cool way to share my Symbaloo, and a cool way to link up with other teachers to learn new teaching tools. This is a quick preview of my personal learning network. I hope you enjoyed watching it, and thank you again for the extension for a couple days on this. I really appreciate it. Have a great day.